Who wants a hamburger?
Thank you.
These suckers are good, too. They make them good here.
Yeah.
This is a crypto burger. Actually, you should name them. Name a Bitcoin and a crypto. We've got plenty of them you can name. Do you want one? Huh? You want one? Go ahead, take it. She's around. I'll take it. She's been great.
You know, with everything that Donald Trump is candidate, he is a natural politician, and he was in his environment there at this Pubkey bar in Manhattan. It caters to the Bitcoin crowd. It's much bigger than that, of course. But the guy who founded that is with us right now, Thomas Pacchia. He is the Pubkey owner and, of course, entertained the former president of the United States. He reached out, I guess, to everybody, right, Thomas?
Yeah.
But Donald Trump took you up on it.
Yeah. So about 7 months ago, we reached out to a lot of the campaigns. It was a longer conversation. I think they were initially perplexed, like, what is a Bitcoin bar? But, you know, we had multiple touch points, and then, I don't know, 6 days before the event, we got the notification that we were all systems go. Every day with Secret Service for 6 days.
Oh my God, really?
It's intense, yeah.
The real quick question on the bar. Only Bitcoin do you take, or you can pay for anything with any currency?
Well, cash and credit card as well.
Okay.
But Bitcoin is the only, I would say, alternative to the U.S. dollar. We would go bankrupt if it was just Bitcoin, right? It's only 5% of our transactions.
Understood.
Yeah.
Now, that is kind of where it stands today, right? It's a very small percentage in this vast currency world that's dominated by the U.S. dollar.
Sure.
And while, you know, Bitcoin is sort of picked up, I think it's around the $63,000, $64,000 coin level. It's like waiting for Godot for it to hit, you know, pay dirt.
Well, there's been many booms and busts. It's had multiple 90% retraces. It's a volatile new asset class altogether. As a store of value, it's gaining steam. As a medium of exchange, that's going to take some time as a unit of account. Bitcoin is money. It's a new form of money.
But it's a finite amount out there. So I would have thought that would have juiced it, as well as all the EFTs and funds tied to it. And it's still waiting.
Well, it's the best performing asset of the last, 10, 15 years, right? If it's not the best, it's in the top 5.
From its very, very low levels in the very beginning.
Yeah, but pick your mark, right?
Okay.
So in 2015, we were around $300, $400 a coin. Like, even in that time period,
Is that when you got in
years,
and all of that?
I started working in Bitcoin back in 2013. Yeah.
Wow.
It took me a little while to get.
So you are a very rich guy.
I was initially no, nobody has enough Bitcoin.
Really?
But you know, I was fortunate to be a skeptic first and actually work with some of the arguments. Andreas Antonopoulos, a great Bitcoin educator from the early days.
But there are more doubters still, aren't they? How do you counter their impression that with this administration, with Gensler at the SEC, they want to kill it?
Yeah, the Biden administration the last 4 years has been pretty aggressive. You have Operation Choke Point 2.0. Nick Carter has done a tremendous amount of work on breaking the story.
What are they afraid of? That it's going to...
It's unclear. You'd have to ask them. But the oversight and the overreach from a regulatory perspective has been, you know, pretty damaging on the entire industry the last 4 years.
But they can't shut it down. They can't kill it.
No, Bitcoin doesn't care. It's just going to go to a different country.
What happens? What will be the trigger event? Some people say you need a war, you need instability, you need the markets, the stock markets to tank.
Yeah.
But it was going up when markets were soaring, so that doesn't make sense.
Yeah, there is correlation right now. I think the correlation breaks when inflation runs, you know, really wild. We've had bad inflation. We haven't had Zimbabwe or Venezuela here or a lot of other places.
Is that the catalyst for Bitcoin?
It could be. It could be. It's a flight to safety asset.
What's its potential in your eyes?
It's a black hole for all assets globally. I mean, it just absorbs everything and it'll be denominated in Bitcoin eventually.
All right. So what I'm saying, in the 60s now per coin, where do you see it going?
Up always. Every day's a good day in Bitcoin.
Well, I need a number.
So in the near term, it's hard to predict these things. We call it the honey badger for a reason. It just doesn't care about these things.
Yeah.
And the Bitcoin protocol operates independently to the spot market, right? So the price of Bitcoin doesn't really affect the Bitcoin protocol.
But you've heard the $1 million crowd and all that stuff. Are you
Yeah,
with
it's
them?
possible. It's absolutely possible. If that happens very quickly, though, that's not necessarily a fun environment to live through because we're talking about rampant inflation and the collapse of.
But that's the backdrop you need for Bitcoin to go up to the races.
Not necessarily. Like, it's all about the perspective. For some people, that makes sense. That's a good, stronghold for value, particularly if you're in a country like Venezuela, Argentina, Zimbabwe.
Right.
In the United States, it's more of a complementary asset right now, but it's nice to have in case stuff really it starts to hit the fan.
And if everything hits, you still have Pubkey, that's doing just fine.
Yeah, absolutely.
Making money hand over fist there.
Yeah.
Fascinating seeing Thomas. I've wanted to see it for quite some time. He was ahead of this before anyone was. And if you think of all the doubters who pounded this, like a rising phoenix, it's still around. It's still there. And Donald Trump, if he ever gets back in the White House, is a big fan.